guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I am doing great. Today's video is gonna be about Ayden having fun playing by himself. As you guys know, I'm an autism mom and Ayden is autistic. If you guys watch my previous video, you guys can see me driving over the river to the west side to my family takeaway lunch. And I end the video with us when we reach there. So this video is a continuation now. So when we reach there now, Ayden wanted to play by himself in the sand, you know, and have fun. So I'm just going to show you guys a little of that. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Ayden usually just don't like play with people. He prefers play by himself. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Take care and have a blessed night. Ayden being a good boy at the barbecue. Bye bye running all over.